Hi everyone. In today's session, let's cover three basic formulas which are nothing but proper, upper, and lower. So, what is the difference between these three formulas and where are they useful? If you see our particular input, it is in different formats. Here, the first name is in small letters, second name is in capitals. Here again the same. Here, the first name is capital, second name is small. Proper format. So proper format means the first letter will be capitalized and rest all will be small letters. And upper means it will be all in uppercase. And lower, it will be all in lowercase. So that is the only difference between these three formulas. So let's see how we can convert everything in proper case, everything in uppercase, and everything in lowercase. So the formula is very simple, is equal to proper, and just select the text you want to convert. So everything will be converted in proper format. Proper format in the sense, first letter will be capitalized and rest all will be small letters. And the second formula is equal to upper. So here everything will be capitalized irrespective of whether it is a first letter or second letter, nothing will matters, everything will be capitalized. And here is equal to lower. Even the first letter will be small letter and everything else will be small letters as well. So this is how we can use proper, upper and lower formulas. Thank you.